Saginaw Chippewa Indian Tribe of Michigan has been in this area in Standish, as well as Mount Pleasant in Isabella County, for hundreds, if not thousands of years. So they're one of the indigenous cultures.
It has about 3,400 tribal members located throughout the state and throughout the country and the world.
These areas are part of their Aboriginal lands, so they've had a long history of culture in this area. And in the late 90s, started expanding their operations and developing their economy with gaming at Soaring Eagle Casino. And then this casino here was originally opened, and then it was so successful that they've expanded it and added a 148 room hotel, which was part of the impetus to create our own substation and connect with the bulk power system.
The substation project was initiated more out of necessity. When the tribe originally had its smaller casino here, it quickly outgrew its size and needed a hotel. And so over the years of trying to develop the hotel here, they said, well, you need additional power, so a substation had to be constructed. And that got some people talking in the tribal leadership about, well, if we're going to have to pay for the substation, it's on trust land, why can't we operate it ourselves?
You know, MISO identified ITC as the owner of the transmission assets. Once we got that, we started talking with ITC. Then we had to develop the whole process. You know, we had nothing, and now we have a tribal utility authority that, you know, we wrote internally. We had some outside expertise that was brought in, but we created everything organically. So we learned how the market worked, we learned how the system worked, we learned how to manage and operate all of these assets, and we were able to create something out of nothing.
Well, the end result, I mean, not only when it was originally started was for providing energy to this project, and then it was like, okay, we can do that, but it's also going to save us money. And then when we kind of took it over, my department took it over, then it's like, wait a minute, we can use this as an economic development tool. We can use this as a method to get more businesses located on tribal trust land.
ITC's got thousands of substations that are connected to its network. They've built all of these components, so they know a lot of the people, they know a lot of the engineering, they know a lot of the construction. So they were very helpful in putting all of this together and then helping us, you know, with the outages, how to connect, you know, what we needed to do in order to bring our assets, you know, essentially right to the pole top switch that's out there.
ITC was so invaluable on providing guidance and direction to, okay, you need to maybe talk to this type of group or this, you know, just kind of leading us in general directions on how we needed to make this successful.
All these tribes can work together, and we can, you know, increase energy sovereignty, increase that self-determination, and build those assets that are so valuable, not just to tribes and improving their economic position, but also, you know, everybody in these bigger load centers that need clean energy, that need energy for their activities. We can help deliver those solutions.
Originally it was built out of necessity to power the new expansion, but it soon morphed into much greater possibilities for economic development.